All right, so perimeter of a square or rectangle. So again, perimeter is the length of outside of a rectangle. So let's draw a rectangle here. And they're telling us that sides are 11 by 18. Now, because it's a rectangle, we know that these sides up here are equal to the sides down here. So this must also be 18. This must also be 11 over here. And so what's the perimeter? The perimeter is just the sum of all the sides. So it's 11 plus 11 plus 18 plus 18. So we add up 1, 2, 10, 18, carry the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 58. So it's 58, and what's the unit? Well, it's yards, but it's not yards squared. It's just yards, and they don't have even yards squared as an option. So it's 58 yards.